Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to update you guys on a really quick update for Shib Coin. The fact that it got accepted to, it was actually two exchanges. It was Heyoki, and then also to Crypto.com, I guess, since a lot of you guys commented that it got accepted to Crypto.com. It's bouncing off this point 0.5 level on the fib scale on extension pretty well. So I don't know if I would buy in right now. I do think there's a very strong chance it's going to return to previous support of like whatever zeros and 43. So I think there's a very strong chance that it'll dip back down to this resistance right here, or this support right here. I don't think I'm gonna buy it unless it actually goes down there again. The first time I bought Docky, it was really only for Fool's Insurance. I didn't really care too much about losing the money that I invested. So, again, this would only be an investment as Fool's Insurance, an indication of maybe in a year or so this might actually be worth something, or it might get more popular and more traction and stuff. I'm really not gonna throw money where I'm not willing to lose. So I think if I do get in, I would only get in at these 5 6 like 4 3 levels, and I would just kind of hold it for like a year and not even I wouldn't even look at my portfolio for this. Like I wouldn't even care if it goes if I lose the money, or if it actually goes and gets made into something. As of right now, I do think it's going to keep trailing down, just because Doggy is also going down as well. So for now, yeah, I mean, we just had a sell off. I mean, I think it might actually stay steady around here, and if we do drop to that 0.618 level on the fibs, I think we might actually rebound from this 9.8 level right here. To be honest, I don't know if we'll actually stay there, but I think between 4 4 3 and 129, like this whole region right here is definitely a big support level right here. They can definitely do anything it wants, but I think I would only buy if it actually hits that 4 2 4 3 level down here on the support. I don't think I would buy anything above that. I think I wouldn't necessarily say it's a waste, but it wouldn't be worth it to me to purchase, at least as Fool's Insurance, if it doesn't dip all the way back down to this 42 level right here. So I'll see you guys later. If you guys want, I can keep updating you guys on Shiba Coin. I don't necessarily do a lot of TA or a lot of videos on meme coins. The only one I really talked about was Doggy because I really liked it, but you guys already know I sold like 80% of my position at like 40 cents. And as of right now, Doggy Coin is starting to actually trail down. So it's at 44. I think the last time I checked, it was 44 cents, which is pretty crazy. But yeah, as of right now, I think if you guys want to, I mean, leave it in the comments and let me know that you guys want me to talk about this more, or just give you guys like an update if it actually does hit these 42 level prices. And that's the only time I would actually purchase Shiba, and that's because it's basically at my thought process, my strategy. At these levels, it would make it oversold. So that's the only reason I would buy. I don't really care about anything else. It only makes sense to buy it from TA. Not really fundamental. I don't know the fundamentals of Shiba. To be honest, I wouldn't really care about the fundamentals of Shiba, just strictly because it's a fucking meme coin, right? Fundamentals don't fucking matter. All that's really gonna happen with this is that Shiba, Husky, all the other stupid shit coins that just kind of came up, they're all gonna run on hype. So you can put $100 into this, look back like a year later and see where it actually is, right? Or a month later if it happens to run like another, 80,000%, which is absolutely insane and phenomenal. And if it gets added to more exchanges, which I actually do think that Shiba might actually get added to more exchanges, because I think it might be a direct competitor to Doggy. And I think if anything gets added to Coinbase as far as like a meme coin, I think Shiba might actually have more of a chance to get added on Coinbase than Doggy, just because this project is actually on the newer side, as opposed to Doggy already being kind of an older project. And Coinbase likes to stick to newer projects that have certain fundamentals to it and connections. I don't know if Doggy will ever get added to Coinbase, but as far as what I think might happen, there definitely might be a chance that where there's competition of Shiba and Doggy competing on which one actually gets added to Coinbase. And if Doggy gets added to Coinbase, Shiba 100% won't get added. If Shiba gets added to Coinbase, Doggy 100% probably won't get added. It's just going to be one of those competition things where Coinbase probably won't add one or the other as far as that competition. But who knows, right? We don't know yet. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, like I said, as of right now, I would only buy on this level right here, on the 43 level. Like, it doesn't make sense to buy really anywhere else. And as of right now, it is retesting. It is retesting that fib level right now. It's like, oh, it's right under it actually. Yeah, it's right under that 0.5 fib level. I think that it might actually go under that. So the only time that I would actually buy is when we hit this 618. So I would probably buy a small position here, probably like $100 at that 618 level. If we do drop to this level right here, this actual the 43 level, the previous support, 100%. I think I'll probably end up throwing like $1,000 at it, and then not even looking at it for like a year or so, unless I hear some crazy news that it rallied to like a penny or whatever, right? But yeah, for the most part, it's just gonna probably hang around here and stuff, and then kind of go from there. So I'll see you guys later.